Fix in 5. P0470. Exhaust Pressure Sensor Malfunction DPF/EBP circuit. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, CL, illuminated, reduced fuel economy, loss of power under load, rough idle or hesitation during acceleration, possible regeneration issues on diesel vehicles. Now the most likely causes. Defective exhaust back pressure sensor, DPFE sensor. Loose or corroded sensor connectors or wiring harness. Exhaust system blockage, clogged DPF. Excessive carbon. Faulty sensor signal line or vacuum hose, if applicable. What does it cost? Roughly Euro 22,052 doing it yourself, or Euro 102,132 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Replace exhaust back pressure sensor, DPFE sensor. Repair or replace damaged sensor wiring harness. Clean or regenerate DPF if blockage detected. Clear diagnostic codes after repair and verify sensor signal. The scanner and partside use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, can I fix P0470 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0470 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0470. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.